Anybody having any problems with your smoke alarm? Well, I'm here to help. So I'm going to be showing you my Kidde model P3010L. So the problems you could have that are occurring is a false alarm triggering in the middle of the night. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. If you find that your smoke alarm is going off in the middle of the night, you want to get an air pump or an air compressor to clean it out. Get your smoke detector off the bracket. After you take it off your mounting bracket, you want to bring it over to your air compressor device or your air pump device. So, over here is my air pump. So I use this to clean out my smoke alarms. Whatever, plug in. There you go. Bring it out to the open. And I have this little pink thing right here. Turn it on. And then clean the alarm out all the way around. And that should solve your problem. And whenever you're done, make sure you turn off your power supply and get your smoke detector and place it back on its bracket correctly. I highly recommend doing something like this once a month to clean out your detector to avoid false alarms. Do this with any kind of detector. If it's ionization or photoelectric, I still highly recommend cleaning them. I hope you all thought this video was helpful. Hope you all enjoyed it. That'll be it.